Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'll show you on how to sign out your Microsoft account from all devices. If you take note of any unrecognized activities or someone is trying to having access to your Microsoft account, consider to watch this video. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to log into your Microsoft account. Having logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to simply go to security right here. Click on security. And it's going to load up like so. You'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on manage how I sign in. So click on that. Then you'll be taken to this particular section right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you come to sign out everywhere. Click on that. Sign out everywhere. You will need to sign in again to all your apps. This should take effect within 24 hours. So you have to take note of that. So what you need to do is to simply click on sign out, and the account will be signed out across your Microsoft apps and web. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.